This is giving like classic American country home, except this is in Metro Manila. And it's huge, it's perfect for a big family. It's the kind of house that you can picture just breakfasts in the morning that's full of life, lots of like pancakes for everybody in the morning. And then at night, it's just you and the multiple kids here just hanging out, watching TV, and spending time together. If you have been looking for such a home in Metro Manila, then this might just be for you. Today we've got another corner lot for you. So on your left side, you have access to the garage. So it's actually a closed garage. You have two gates and both of them are gonna lead to a 4-vehicle carport. And then here on the right side, you have your pedestrian gate. So this is where we are gonna go through. So very American country home inspired, right? From the outside and of course, all the way to the inside. But it is a little Filipino inspired, and you'll see what I mean later. Okay, so seeing as of course this is a corner lot, they also wanted to have the front door or the main entry to be in the corner. Pero hindi siya exposed because you do have this wall here, but then you see either side. Okay, so here is where it starts to feel like this should be in Tagaytay or something like that. Ganun yung vibe, ganun yung design niya, no? But this is in fact just nearby. Okay, so you have your double doors here with glass peekaboos. And then when you enter, you have this open area for your guests and basically entertainment. So huge living space. Honestly, layout-wise, ang dami mo pwedeng gawin. Ang daming outlets, kasi nga, malaki siyang space. And from here, the only thing you can see is the main stairs as well as the dining area, which is huge, by the way. But from here, you have access to a back portion na covered, tas meron siyang side gate dun sa right side. But that is a service area that you can do whatever you will. But yeah, you have a lot of space here. It's up to you where you want to place the TV. There's a lot of layouts that you can do, but living area. And then from here, you have your dining, which again, as I mentioned, is huge. This dining set is a 10-seater. It's a very long table, perfect for guests. Then you have windows on this side and the other side, glass sliding doors. And then here, we have a double action swing door with a glass panel that leads to the kitchen. Your kitchen is a square room, very classic design. Very country na. And you have a U-shaped, hindi lang siya U, no? Parang basically the entire room has counters to work on. So lots of surface to work on. Then you have your built-in sink, your stove and oven, then lots of cabinetry, and then your provision for your refrigerator on this side. So it still has that sort of triangle workspace to use, pero again, lots of extra surfaces to actually work on. Okay, as you'll notice, ang daming ceiling fan sa bahay na to. It's every room has one, or in this case, two. And then on the other side, we have one of the bedrooms. So the common areas are all tiled, wood-like flooring, pero yung bedrooms, wood flooring talaga. So this one has this much amount of space, perfect for a single bed, plus end tables, etc. Then you have your built-in wardrobe over here, built-in desk. You have a window facing one of the faces of the property, kasi corner lot, so dalawa. And then you have an ensuite toilet bath with a huge sink, a toilet, and an enclosed shower area. Ceiling is a little bit higher than standard. And then going back out again, from the dining, we have access to a balcony. Now, this is probably my favorite balcony of this house, just because you have so much room to work on. It is covered. Itong part na to, yan, may halaman. And it is gloomy because it's rainy seasonal. Pero ito nasa harap ng property. At least one of the faces. Okay, so from here we can go up or down. So for now, let's head back down. But before that, make sure you hit like, click subscribe, and click on the bell so you get notified for whenever we release new YouTube videos. We're on Facebook, so make sure you hit like and see first, and follow us on Instagram at Presello_official. If you want to see more of our listings here in Quezon City, make sure you let us know, send us a message, or go to our website, www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. So down here, we have a bar. Quite literally, may bar setup na dito. Kulang na lang yung mga glass that you can put upside down. May lalagyan na rin ng mga bottles sa likod. And it's kind of cute because it has the Western style doors. So medyo saloon yung kanyang vibe, no? Especially since you have this area that's just, pretty much wooden all over. And then you have tables for people to hang out in and chill. And if they wanted to, meron na ring jacuzzi dito. So this area can be opened up para hindi naman kulo. Pwede rin siyang nakasarado and aircon. But basically, it's for entertaining folks. Because you have the bar, you have the jacuzzi, you have an outdoor area here. You have a set of stairs that goes back up to the main stairs, by the way. And then the rest of the doors here lead onto the 4-vehicle carport. And from here, we have this room. So this is actually a sort of bathroom. I wish I could tell you exactly what it's called, but I'm gonna go with a bathroom. It has a sink, it has a sauna, it also has a shower somewhere in the back, and then may abang. So I'm not sure what you would want to put in here, but that's there, and again, for entertainment purposes. And then here we have the staff area. So you have a gate that again leads back up to the stairs going to the front of the property, and then you have two staff rooms, both with an ensuite toilet and bath, and then you have the staff area here where they can lounge and prep food. And then this entire area is your service area with your stainless steel sink, some storage, and then it also goes back out to the 4-vehicle carport. So lots and lots of service areas here. And storage, of course. But yeah, that is technically the ground floor. Let's just go with lower ground. I think lower ground. So let's head back up again, and this time to the second floor. Okay, so far we've done the lower ground, the ground, and then this is the second floor. And you have a sort of library here or a family area. So may built-in bookshelf na dito. It's dito pwede niya lagyan ng TV with a mount. So it's nice and neat and modern. But basically, people hang out here. So you can put your couch here, maybe a desk or two for your kids to study in. And that's to say that this house is actually perfect for a family because it has a lot of rooms. So let's start off with the room here at the end. So let's say this is bedroom number 1. That's not, let's go with bedroom number 1 first. So this is the shape of the room. It is unusual, but it does have its practicality. So this is ideally where you would want to put your bed, yung headrest. Kayo na bahala, pwede naman dito. Pwede rin dun sa side na yun. It's up to you, either way it's gonna fit. You have your built-in desk, may dalawa pang boots for your cables, built-in shelf, your wardrobe, then you have an ensuite toilet and bath with a sink, a toilet, and an enclosed shower area. Oh, that's actually kind of cute. May window na rin dito. Diretso na yung hot air. No need for an exhaust fan kasi may bintana na diretso. Oh, hindi ko na napansin to. Sorry, ang cute ng ilaw. Okay. Hi. So this is the end of this hall. So there's 2 more. Let's check this one out first. And this one is bedroom number 2. And also, the primary bedroom. So it's a much bigger space. You can fit a king-sized bed. I suppose this would be where you'd want to put the headboard just because the outlets are there. And then TV on this side, entertainment. You could put a desk, or in this case, seating. And this is the only room with this balcony. So this one in particular is at the corner of the property, directly on top or above the main entrance. So you have a view of your neighborhood as well as a peek into the Sierra Madre Mountains. And then the other side, you have a walk-in closet with lots of mirrors. I don't think makatago yung camera yan there. Hello. So closed storage and open shelving. Then you have a vanity on this side, and then here is the wet area, the actual toilet and bath with your sink. Also surface, by the way. Daming patungan. Your toilet, your bathtub, and then your quite large enclosed shower area. So very practical layout, especially for two persons. So for the heads of the family. And then across this one, we have bedroom number 3. Similar layout to bedroom number 1 in the sense that the bed is tucked away in here. And then you have a clear pathway from the door to the desk to the walk through, well, to the wardrobe area and then to the ensuite toilet and bath. Again, with a sink, a toilet, and an enclosed shower space. Different finishes for this one though. For bedroom number 1, it was a dark toilet and bath, right? This one is very light, so opposite. And it has a much more colorful and artsy lamp. The other one was a toy car, so personalities. But yeah, so you can say that this is, maybe they intended it to be the girls' room. Basta yung isa, clearly is a little boy's room. Right, and that is it for the second floor. Let's now head up the third. And also, can I just say, one of the things that I appreciate about this house is the wooden stairs, or the quality of the stairs is really nice, as well as the handrails. Look at how this curves. Hindi na lahat nagtsatsaga dyan eh. Now for the top floor, clearly we are now following the roof line. So yung shape ng roof, yun na rin yung ceiling line, no? And the moment you reach the top of the stairs, you have access to a door that leads to a balcony at the very top of the property. So actually, ang cute niya. Para kang may silipan. I don't know. I don't know if this is a good comparison, but you know how in warfare, sa guerra, basically, you need to see everything without being seen. Medyo ganun yung dating niya, which I find adorable, personally. Okay, so on this floor, we have another room here. So this one has an ensuite toilet and bath with, kompleto naman. With a sink, a toilet, and a shower head. And then a storage, and lots of storage. So this could be a guest bedroom, especially given the layout. So this is again at the front of the property, or one of the fronts of the property. And then more storage here. Pwede siyang library, pwede siyang playroom, but it does have an ensuite toilet and bath, so it counts as another bedroom. And then here in the main area, again, could be a family room. Madami namang outlets, your TV can go here. You have access to another one of those balconies, similar to the one that I said earlier, except this one is a little bit more private kasi may katabi kang neighbor na wala namang bintana. So they can't see you, you can't see them, no one can see each other. And then on this side, actually, if you look here, it's a perfect mirror. So these two rooms are pretty much exactly the same, except they're facing different, iba yung tama nung araw nila throughout the day. Because one is going to be morning sun, one's going to be afternoon. But essentially, same layout, just mirrored. You have your built-in desk, you have your wardrobe, you have access to a balcony, perfect for your outdoor unit, there's AC. And then you have an ensuite toilet and bath at the end with your toilet, your sink, and then your enclosed shower space. So that's how many bedrooms. It's like, 7 bedrooms? So again, this house is perfect for a family, and it does actually have that cheaper by the dozen vibe, like very American 90s home. So if you've been looking for something like that, because it is a timeless classic, right? And if you're looking for one in Quezon City, wow, then this might just be the perfect home for you, lalo na kung marami kayo, right? Okay, but before I get into the numbers, make sure you check out these really cute B-rolls. You have 289 square meters of lot area. Again, this is a corner lot. And then 800 square meters of floor area split between 4 levels. You have 7 bedrooms, 7 toilet and baths, a 4-vehicle garage, and then lots and lots of areas and rooms to actually use for your big family. Yes, you have 7 bedrooms. You can turn some of them into libraries, offices, family rooms, game rooms, or maybe you just have 6 or more kids. Who knows? Or maybe yung angkan nyo, yung cousins nyo nandito na rin. It's a perfect family home in this very American style, classic American style. You also have lots of service areas, big kitchen, big service areas, staff areas, you name it. And again, this is in Quezon City, inside one of the more exclusive subdivisions here. And if you're curious, want to see it for yourself, do let us know, send us a message, or go to our website at www.presello.com. Invest in your future. Invest with us. Invest with Presello. If you enjoyed that video and want to see more of our tours, make sure you click here. If you want to see flats and lofts, click here. And if you haven't subscribed yet, make sure you click right here.